What's going on, you guys? We got this pair of JDM icons here. Wanted to go over both of them and kind of do a little short build breakdown on them. Let's start with the Z here. This is a Supercharged 350Z. It's got a Nismo front end on it. It's got gram lights, which are painted this beautiful pink color, and that's a factory color. Those were not powder coated after the fact. Then it's got 370Z disc brakes all the way around. And then you've got Tommy Kyra side spats down here, a Nismo wing to match the front, and then a legit top secret diffuser back here. You got a Motordyne exhaust that runs through the whole thing. And then if we look inside the car here, we've got this pretty awesome interior with VeilSide seats and then BridgeMoto harnesses. Shout out to my boy Alan from BridgeMoto. All connected to the harness bar back here. Totally ridiculous setup. And then you got this steering wheel for weebs, whatever. It's super cool. And then under the hood, it's got this supercharged engine. It's an HR, and it makes 500 horsepower. The thing is nuts. It is insane. It sounds like a vacuum rolling down the road, essentially. And then over here, we have a Mitsubishi Evo 8 with a Varis kit on it. So the front end is Varis, and then you have a Seibon carbon hood, a Seibon carbon trunk, and then a Varis wing on the trunk, and Varis kit all the way down. Here you've got Volk TE37s with Brembo big brake kit all the way. I love the fenders too. They're absolutely amazing. You've got a personal steering wheel on the inside, and then IRP shifter as well. And pretty standard interior for the rest of it, but you can see the jug right here. This thing runs on E85. Matter of fact, this thing makes 550 horsepower from this 4G63. Absolutely insane car. It launches super hard because, you know, it's all-wheel drive. But seeing the two of these cars here together is just super insane to see. Like two race cars, over 1,000 horsepower right here. Man, really love seeing these things. Thanks for tuning in and watching.